Hello viewers, welcome to my another brand new video. Hope you guys doing good in quarantine. Today we're gonna talk about a brand new budget gaming mouse HP G200. This new budget gaming mouse offers almost all features that an expensive gaming mouse has to offer. So without wasting so much of your time, let's finish the unboxing. That's everything I have got in the box. Now let's see how it looks like after connecting it to my PC. Let's turn off the lights for a better view. The manufacturer has given a unique individual color for each DPI settings. The DPI button on the top helps to change the DPI with one click, which is very useful for gamers to change mouse sensitivity in the middle of the game without closing the game. You can recognize the current DPI setting by the color of the mouse wheel button light. Red is for 500 dpi, green is for 1000 dpi, blue is for 1500 dpi, purple is for 2000 dpi, yellow for 3000 and sky blue is for 4000 dpi. These are the minimum to maximum available DPI settings for this gaming mouse. The RGB lights are customizable. There are 8 available colors in the mouse. You can set the colors to be shown in the mouse as your preference. Light effects are also customizable in 3 separate modes like standard, breathing and neon. That's not all. You can customize the mouse buttons as your wish. This mouse is perfectly suitable for both right and left-handed person because of its customizable buttons. I hope now you understand why I consider this as best budget gaming mouse. Strong in every step. This mouse is available on Flipkart and Amazon. Flipkart is giving this mouse in a special discount at $5.99. Order now before this limited stock gets running out. The software I am using to customize this mouse is not officially available on the internet. Due to some reason, HP has removed this software. But don't worry guys, you can download this software from the link I have given in the description box. Try it yourself and share your personal opinion in the comment section down below. Kindly do subscribe my channel and give this video a thumbs up. This is all for today. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.